a year and a half maybe, they'll start construction, and eventually we won't even be able to cross this one. They're gonna loving attention. He's chasing fish. Uh-oh. We got a child might be scared of rocks and scared of dogs. Well, I'm at Green Bridge and I gotta be quiet because we got some fishermen down there fishing. This is Green Bridge, one of the last one-way bridges in the world. Now, in my world anyway. In about a year and a half maybe, they'll start construction, and eventually we won't even be able to cross this one. They're gonna take it down and move it somewhere. Maybe Johnnymorris will buy it, move it, and then fix it back up. It needs painting. It needs loving attention. I hear a motorcycle coming up on me. Let's see what he looks like. He's got a rider. Hey, got a rider. Gotta love it. Hey, bike rider. I got you on video. He's chasing fish. Uh-oh. We got a child might be scared of rocks and scared of dogs. He's gonna cry. Come on. That's a lady in a BMW I might have to cut out because she looked like she got mad. She can get glad just as good as she gets mad. Y'all have a good one. I just met that man with that dog. Look at that dog out there swimming, loving it. Loving it. Ain't that something? There he is in the blue shirt with the lady in the brown. They own it. Enjoying the water. You know, dogs and God have a lot in common. They can read your vibration. If you're scared of a dog kind of gets offended by it. But if you're afraid of God, you got a lifetime of undoing to do. Our Father loves us deeply. No matter who we are, or what we did or do, once we start cleaning our mind up, our Father in heaven starts smiling because He's not in heaven, He's in us. That's what happens when you clean your mind up. You find out who you are and what God is. Oh, that was a big one right there. It was huge. I don't know what it was, but it was huge. Look at the ripple. All right, let's look and see who's walking on the bridge. What they doing. Is it gonna zoom in? I think they're gonna stop and look down this way. Yeah. I can tell they've been married for a while. He ain't got to be holding on to her, and she ain't got to be holding on to him. Oh, a few people outside eating. I want to get a picture from this on the other side maybe today. But they got the rebar sticking out of it, so they've cut it down and they epoxied it in place. And then they'll re-pour the whole top of it. They'll have anchor bolts and everything. Oh, look at all of them down the river. Look how many it is. It's like a bunch of them. I can't even count them. Oh, did I get in y'all's way? I'm sorry. How many do you see down there? 100? I see 180. Wow, that's a big group. All right.
You